Welcome to the Java Internship Assessment Test Guide. Today we will cover key concepts in Java to help you prepare for your internship assessment. Let's get started. What is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language used for various applications. What are the main features of Java? Key features include platform independence, object-oriented programming, and automatic memory management. What's the difference between JDK and JRE? JDK is for development, JRE is for running Java applications. What is a Java class? A class is a blueprint for creating objects with behavior and properties. What is a constructor in Java? A constructor initializes objects and has the same name as the class. What is method overloading? Method overloading allows multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. What is method overriding? Method overriding lets a subclass provide its implementation of a method from its superclass. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation hides data and methods within a class. Difference between abstract class and interface. Abstract class can have both abstract and non-abstract methods. An interface has only abstract methods. What is the purpose of the final keyword? Final makes a variable, method, or class unchangeable. Difference between double equals to equals and hash code. Double equals to compares memory addresses, equals, compares content, hash code, returns hash code. What is a static method? A static method belongs to the class and can be called using the class name. What is the this keyword used for? This refers to the current instance of a class. What is a package in Java? A package organizes related classes for better code management. What are access modifiers in Java? Access modifiers control the visibility of classes, methods, and variables. What is a thread in Java? A thread is a unit of execution allowing for concurrent tasks. What is synchronization in Java? Synchronization controls access to shared resources between threads. What is an exception in Java? An exception is an event disrupting normal program flow. Congratulations! You have covered key concepts in Java. Good luck with your internship assessment.